AI. It's everywhere, right? But today, we're diving into a space where it has some seriously life-changing potential. Healthcare. We're talking about an Indian startup, Jivi, that's using AI to shake things up. And they just got a huge vote of confidence with an investment from Andrew Ng and his AI fund. And that's kind of a big deal. I mean, Ng, he's a leading voice in the AI world. So when his fund backs a company, people listen. So what's got everyone so excited about Jivi? Well, their whole platform is built around helping doctors diagnose patients more accurately and way more efficiently, all thanks to AI. And here's the thing. They're not starting from scratch. Their system is built on a crazy huge knowledge base. Get this, over 15 million medical documents.
Wow.
Our sources are calling Jivi a multimodal conversational platform.
It just means Jivi can talk to both patients and doctors in a bunch of different ways, like text, voice, maybe even images.
Say, a voice assistant, and tell it their symptoms.
Exactly. Cross-referencing all that with their medical history from, you guessed it, that massive database we were talking about, and then boom, it gives the doctor potential diagnoses.
Wow. So it's like having a super smart medical assistant working alongside the doctor, basically.
That's a great way to put it.
Okay, but it gets even more interesting because Jivi has this AI model called Jivi MedX. It's actually outperforming some of the biggest names in AI in certain tests. We're talking like Google's MedPolem2 and even OpenAI's GPT-4.
Oh, wow.
To even come close to their level is huge, but to do better, that's a game changer.
What do you think gives Jivi MedX an advantage?
Well, that's the million-dollar question. It's probably a few things working together. For one, that laser focus on healthcare has to be helping. Then there's that massive unique data set they've got.
Well, that's what gets me really excited. See, Jivi MedX, it's not just about being technically impressive. It's actually way more accurate at diagnosing some conditions than anything we've had before. And that can make a world of difference, especially when you think about conditions where catching things early is crucial. We're talking about potentially, saving lives.
Wow.
But it's important to remember, we're not talking about replacing doctors here. It's not about machines taking over. It's about giving doctors an incredible new tool.
So more like AI as a partner.
Exactly. Augmenting human capabilities. Doctors bring their years of experience, their intuition, their gut feelings even, and Jivi gives them this incredible information boost to make the best decisions possible.
Makes sense. And, something else we've touched on, this idea of making healthcare more accessible, it seems like Jivi could have a real impact there.
Absolutely. I mean, that's a huge part of their mission, making sure everyone has access to quality healthcare no matter where they live, no matter how much money they make.
So hypothetically, someone in a remote village in India could get the same level of expertise as, say, someone living in a big city like Mumbai.
That's the goal. Jivi, they're not just a cool company, they're a sign of something much bigger. India is becoming a major player in the AI world.
Well, and we've got that NASSCOM BCG report, right?
Yeah.
Predicting that India's AI market could more than double by 2027. Those are some serious numbers.
They are, and there are some very good reasons why India is so well positioned to be a leader in AI.
So what are those reasons? What makes India such fertile ground for AI to take root?
Well, I mean, you got to start with the foundation, right? India's got this incredible history of producing some of the best tech minds in the world.
It's like it's in their DNA at this point.
Pretty much. And then on top of that, you've got the data, AI. It's all about data, right? And India, with its huge, diverse population, it's like a goldmine of data.
So bigger population, more data, smarter AI.
You got it. But it's not just about the quantity, it's the variety too. All those different languages, cultures, lifestyles, it all gets baked into the data, and that makes for some really powerful insights.
It's like the richer the data, the more nuanced the AI can become.
Exactly. And we can't forget about the government's role in all this.
Right. They've been pretty gung-ho about supporting AI, haven't they?
Oh, absolutely. They've launched all these initiatives, pouring money into research, making it easier for companies to set up shop, the whole 9 yards. They see the potential,
So it's like the stars are aligning for India to become this AI powerhouse.
Exactly. And Jivi, they're just the tip of the iceberg. We're going to see a lot more innovation coming out of India. I guarantee it.
It's a good reminder that the next big thing can come from anywhere. So as we wrap up here, I'm curious, what other industries do you see AI shaking up in the next few years? Any other Jivi-like success stories we should be watching out for?
Oh, man, that's the million-dollar question, right? I mean, if I had a crystal ball, I'd be on a beach somewhere. But honestly, the possibilities are limitless. Healthcare, finance, transportation, even things like, I don't know, how we grow food, how we design buildings. AI has the potential to touch every aspect of our lives.
And with India playing such a big role in that future.
Absolutely. It's going to be an exciting ride, that's for sure.
Well, on that note, we'll leave it there. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive into the world of AI and healthcare. It's clear that things are changing fast, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep asking questions.